We are at Skybridge of the World Trade Center in Portland, Oregon, and this is the corporate office and the headquarters for Portland General Electric. So my research is important because geographically we are sitting on what is called a Cascadia subduction zone, which is on the Ring of Fire. This area is highly at risk with seismic activity, and my research is all about how do we evaluate electrical grid system, grid network when an earthquake would hit, so that we can preemptively decide to retrofit, and so when a real earthquake hits, that we are already prepared for it. Working on this project, I have learned a lot. The most important of which is how to work in a team, and I am so glad that my project is very complex and collaborative. A lot of the work is done by geology people, so a lot of the work is done by civil and structural people that gets fed into what I do, and then my data gets fed to the economic risk people, and then all of this data is really relevant to PGE, who owns the grid. This experience with Portland General Electric will impact greatly on my career because before this I had no exposure to industry and how it works, and how to be a part of like a giant team and still be able to get everything done. My experience at Oregon State University has been epic, nothing short of epic, I would like to say, because the kind of research environment that exists at Oregon State University is very nurturing. It also gives a lot of space to think out of the box and be able to do the kind of things that you would want to do.